place. I really like this hotel because they have Indian food. It's my favorite. Just arrived at my hotel, which is in the same street as Nana Plaza. Great location in Sukhumvit. You know, it's a really nice hotel, and I just arrived. Still have to check the hotel room and everything. But when driving on the road or the highway and you see all the tall buildings, and then you start to remember or you start to know how to drive, right? So, oh yeah, I see the buildings and you know exactly where you need to be. And then I start to think, okay, I really know the city very well now, and yeah, that's crazy. All right, I actually have to wait before checking in, but because I know the place, I know the area, I know the city, I know the hotspots. So I'm having myself a drink, enjoying a view, and it's almost checking in time, usually around 2 o'clock. And I think I will go for a swim because it's really hot, and enjoying the good life. So this is my room. Well, I'm curious what kind of room I have. So let's check it out. It's not bad. I am going to have a break, and I saw that they have a massage in the hotel itself, so I don't even have to go outside, and maybe 1 hour getting a massage and back to work. And later I would like to film outside because I'm here on Nana Plaza, but I was thinking maybe go to Chinatown or something, you know. So it will be interesting indeed, and let me take you on an adventure. I think I go for a swim after my massage, work a bit in the meantime, but I can work on my phone, maybe just going to lounge a bit there. Right, it's already nightlife, it's getting dark, and have some interesting conversations with people that I don't know just on the street here. Yeah, close to Nana, of course. A lot of freelancers and people from all over the world. Well, interestingly, it looks different than the last time I was here. And you know, Thailand is quite popular and they keep building, expanding the life here for free. Like this, for example, last time I was here, this is kind of new somehow. But the hotel over here has, I think, one of the most amazing views in all of Bangkok. And of course, the street life, the street over here is also very fun. I like the dynamic. Actually need to go to the night market. They also renovate a lot of places so that you don't recognize some streets anymore. Of course, there are still some similarities, but on the other hand, Bangkok city life, guys. This door looks kinda interesting. Wondering what's inside. I love being here, and tomorrow I'm going back to Pattaya. Pattaya Nightlife. It's still late, 11 o'clock in the night, something, and you can still shop. So I'm going back to my hotel in Nana. Nana is also nice. Too bad I cannot film inside those clubs, but it was fun for the night, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.